Hello everyone, welcome to my Nashik Trimbakeshwar vlog. We started the travel from Pune to Nashik in the night, and so we were early in Nashik. We stayed at Hotel Royal to have breakfast, get freshen up. These are the people that I went with. Next is the place that we actually stayed up. We booked for the next 3 days. Then we started to have our day one itinerary. For travel, we preferred the rental cars which were local available in Nashik. If you want, I have put it down the numbers of the people I know. Then we had a lunch at Hotel Sanskruti, which was suggested by the person who actually was there for a day with us. After the lunch, we started the day one itinerary, which included Brahmagiri mountain, which is behind the Trimbakeshwar Jyotirling temple. It is considered that you have to visit the Brahmagiri mountain to complete the worship of Trimbakeshwar Jyotirlinga. According to the mythology, Rishi Gautam and his wife Ahilya, they resided in this hill. A cow was unintentionally killed by Rishi Gautam while trying to run off. And to wash his sins, he worshipped Lord Shiva to bring river Ganga on the earth from the heaven. Pleased with the Rishi Gautam's devotion, Lord Shiva requested Ganga river to flow down in the form of Godavari to make Rishi Gautam pure. Hence the river is also called as River Gautami. And this is the reason why Brahmagiri hill is considered as a huge form of Lord Shiva, and hence mountain climbing was considered as a sin. Amazing things about Nashik is that they have beautiful mountains and hills. So if you are a mountain and hill person, you should definitely visit to Nashik. They have naturally carved, beautiful shaped and structured mountains, which I liked a lot. Shanti, 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 Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. My friend climbing the mountain in an amazing way, and this works. She reached. Here is the Gangadwar. This is the actual place where Mata Ganga came in the form of Godavari river. You can see that the water flows in three directions on this mountain. The one flowing towards the east becomes Godavari river, one flowing towards the south becomes Vaitarna river, and the one flowing towards the west, in the west flowing Ganga and meets the Godavari near the Chakra Tirtha. So river Ahilya meets Godavari in front of Trimbakeshwar temple. Next we went to the Anjaneyari temple, which is considered as Hanuman temple, and Anjaneyari is the Mata or the mother of Lord Hanuman. And we also have a trek, but we could not make to the trek. It took around 3.5 hours to get the darshan of Mata Saptashrungi. You can see the crowd and the devotees worshipping. All the points that we covered in day 2 itinerary in one of the shots. I have added the link here. You can of the temple is that three-faced lingam that embodies Lord Vishnu, Lord Brahma and Lord Rudra, that is Lord Shiva. The three-faced lingam is covered by a jewel crown which is placed over the gold mask of Tridev. During the evening puja, the mask is removed and placed on a bed in a hall of mirror. Every Monday, the silver mask is taken to the Kusavastra tank and given a holy bath. Similarly, the ritual takes place with a golden mask at each Shivratri and on a full moon day in the month of Kartik. Finally, the wait of 4 to 5 hours is over, and here's the darshana that we had. I don't know about others, but for me, it was one of the amazing experiences. Om Namah Shivaya. There are different pujas and ceremonies which are taken place in this Jyotirlinga. Kal Sarpa Puja, Narayan Nagbali, Tripandit Shraddha Puja. The golden mask is taken to the Kushavastra Kund in a yatra. I have added all the details in the description box below. Traveling back to Pune. Thank you for watching.